अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ये बहुत लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन मैंने बनाया था कि अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा तो आप लोग अगर इस क्वेश्चन को रेडी कर लें तो आपको ये सारा नावल जो है वो रेडी हो जाएगा। ठीक है, ध्यान से सुनने। डेविल ऑन द क्रॉस रिटन इन 1980 वाज ओरिजिनली पब्लिश्ड इन गिकोयो लैंग्वेज। निगोगी रोट दिस नावल वाइल इन प्रिजन वेयर ही हैड बीन जेल्ड बाय द केनियन गवर्नमेंट फॉर स्पीकिंग अगेंस्ट करप्शन एंड इनक्वालिटी। ये चीज़ें क्लियर होगी। अगर नहीं भी क्लियर हुई तो प्रीवियस वीडियोज़ को जाके देखिए तो इंशाल्लाह क्लियर हो जाए, क्योंकि वहाँ पर मैं डिटेल से बता चुकी हूँ। दिस नावल फॉलो द स्टोरी ऑफ Rinja, a young Kenyan woman who faces many hardships, poverty, and social rejection, but later transformation into a strong resistance figure. This novel used symbolism, dreams, and style to criticize post-colonial society, expose the evil of capitalism, and present Marxist ideas of class conflict. Ngugi wa Thiong'o is a Kenyan writer. He is known for his work as colonialism, post-colonial struggle, and social justice. He was arrested and later forced to exile. Despite this, he continued to write about freedom. Born in 1938 and she is still alive. Varinja is a tragic woman. Varinja is the main character in Devil on the Cross, and she goes through from a lot of pain and suffering in her life. She is a tragic woman because she is not born evil or foolish. Instead of she is destroyed by the society, I'm not sure what I write here, so आप again two words को skip करें. Next second, she's used by a young rich man. He makes her pregnant and leaves her. This is just a start of her troubles. Later, when she tries to live a good life, she is judged, rejected, and looked down upon. She loses her job because she refuses her boss for dash advances. I'm so sorry. Even when she gets engaged, her fiance's family refused to accept her. जब उसने किसी और से engagement की तो उस लड़के की फैमिली ने रिजेक्ट कर दिया कि हम ऐसी लड़की को नहीं लेंगे. Because of her past, her tragedy is not just because she made a bad choice. It's because she lives in an unfair society that poors women badly affected. She became depressed and hopeless. She fight back, becomes strong, and so her tragedy turns into a story of strength and resistance. Devil on the Cross as a tragedy. This novel can be called a tragedy, but it's not like an old tragedy we read in classical literature. It is a modern tragedy about society, not just of one person. This tragedy is not about a hero dying, but about how a whole country is suffering under injustice and corruption. Ngugi shows how the poor are crushed under poverty while the rich grow richer by stealing, cheating, and using others. The tragedy is that even after independence, the poor are not free, they are still ruled by the greedy powers. This novel is sad, painful, and full of angers, but it doesn't end to complete darkness. Next, they can Devil on the Cross as a post-colonial critic. This novel is also post-colonial, which means it shows that even after independence from the British, पाकिस्तान की मिसाल ले लें. पाकिस्तान जो है इंडिपेंडेंस तो हासिल कर चुका है, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हम जो है डिपेंडेंट हैं. अब जो मुख्तलिफ़ कंट्रीज़ हैं उन पे उनका IMF से हम कर्ज़ा लेते हैं. इसी तरह कीनिया जो है वो आज़ाद तो हो गया था, लेकिन उनके अपने जो लोग थे, उनके पॉलिटिशियंस जो थे, उन्होंने अपना फ़ायदा सोचा और जो गरीब आवाम थी उनसे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा उठाया. यही बात की जा रही है इसमें. दीज न्यू लीड्स एक्ट्स लाइक अ colonizers. They steal, they lie, they used poors for their benefits. Ngugi wanted to show that how Kenyan leaders copied the bad habits of colonizers. They become selfish, greedy, and used their power to control others. Foreign companies still take resources from Kenya and treated it like a colony. The people thought independence would bring freedom, but it doesn't. This novel shows colonialism is still alive, just in a new form. Political freedom is not enough. Real freedom means ending poverty, corruption, and control. Devil on the Cross as a capitalist society. Ngugi do criticism on capitalism. In this novel, capitalism is a system where people focus only on money, profit, and on business, often forgetting values like honesty, kindness, and fear. Ngugi shows how leaders cheat pupils. The poor workers suffers even though they work the hardest. Success is seen as, मैं उर्दू इसलिए नहीं कर रही क्योंकि इजी वर्डिंग में मैंने लिखा हुआ है और सारी समझ आ रही है. Varinja loses her job, her confidence, and her peace of mind in this society. She sees how everything is controlled by money and power. The Devil Feast is the best example. It's a meeting where rich people talk about openly how they steal and hurt others just to get richer. Devil on the cross as a form of Marxist perspective, ये आपने खुद पढ़ लेना है, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखिए निगोगी व थियोंगो का राइटिंग स्टाइल देख लेते हैं. इनका जो राइटिंग स्टाइल था वो सिंपल था, क्लियर था, कॉमन था, जो कि हर किसी को समझ आ जाता था. ही यूजेस सिंबलिज्म, एलिगरी एंड स्टोरी टेलिंग टू एक्सपोज कॉलोनियलिज्म, कैपिटलिज्म एंड करप्शन. नेक्स्ट खुद ही पढ़ लें. सो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. सी यू सून. अल्लाह हाफिज़.